First, take any bowl, fill it with gum in which quantity you need. So now mix a little bit. So now I am adding color. This is optional. If you want to add, you can add it, but I am adding red color. So friends, now we will add Boro Plus antiseptic cream. This cream only works in slime because it has boric acid in it. As you can see, this is Boro Plus. So now add in your slime. First add only this much quantity. Mix fast the Boro Plus in your glue. If your slime is not becoming, just add little bit more Boro Plus in it. As you can see, we add more Boro Plus. It is looking like a slime. Friends, our slime is ready, so let's play with it. If your slime is very sticky, don't worry. just add little bit of talcum powder in it, any kind of talcum powder, and just stir it well. My slime is very stretchy and also very fluffy. So friends, just make at your home and tell me in the comments it is work for you or not. So friends, please like this video and subscribe to my channel, and also I will see you on my next video. So take care and goodbye.